Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to align image in Excel. Hold Control, select another image, go to Format tab, align, align middle. Hold Control, align center. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.